Waste management. Waste management is all the activities and actions required to manage waste from its inception to its final disposal. This includes, amongst other things, collection, transport, treatment, and disposal of waste. Together monitoring the regulation, it also encompasses the legal and regulatory framework that relates to waste management, encompassing guidance on recycling and others.
Garbage collection.
The term usually relates to all kinds of waste, whether generated during the extraction of raw materials, the processing of into intermediate and final product, the consumption of final products.
Waste management is intended to reduce adverse effects of waste on health, the environment, or aesthetics. Waste management practices are not uniform among countries, developed and developing nations, regions, urban and rural, and sectors residential
We have
and
different
industrial
ways
to manage waste. The first one is to reduce. The best way to manage waste is to not produce it. This can be done by shopping carefully. Avoid overpackaged goods, especially ones packed with several materials such as foil, paper, and plastic. They are difficult to recycle.
Stop using plastic bags. When you are going to the market, do not use plastic bags.
Go.
Avoid disposable goods such as paper plates, cups, napkins, razors, and lighters. Zero waste contribute to the problem and cost more because they must be replaced again and again. The second way to manage waste is reuse. It makes economic and environmental sense to reuse products. Sometimes it takes creativity. Reuse products for the same purpose, save paper and plastic bags, and repair broken appliances, furniture, and toys. For example, I bought in the mini stop and I used this plastic. When I going to buy again, I use the last way to manage waste is to recycle. Recycling is a series of steps that takes a used material and processes, remanufactures, and sells it a new product. Begin recycling at home and at work. Buy products and made recycled material. Look for the recycling symbol or ask store managers or salesmen. This recycling symbol means one of two things. Either the product is made of recycled material or the item can be recycled. For example, this used plastic bottle can be recycled. This used plastic bottle can become a flower vase. Those are some of ways to manage waste. Be responsible to our environment so we can have a good life. Thank you.